Yes, right? The short answer is yes, it is a scam. Because to explain to you, the longer answer is in a proper and official affiliate marketing, especially with an official AliExpress e-commerce platform. They do offer affiliate marketing business opportunities. Take note, it is a business, not a job. All right, that's point number one. And so when you are actually in partnership with another brand or platform in a form of a business relationship. So what is business? It is your ability to create real buying customers. Because of that, you have helped the brand, the platform, the product owner, the service provider that you are partnering with to create real paying customers. This is why they share this profit with you. And that profit as an affiliate marketer, it is not called profit. It is called a commissions. So that is a proper and official affiliate marketing business opportunities. Right? Third point. In the process of you doing such business activities, a commission was reflected. Again, because you have successfully created buying customers, buying, paying customers. All right? So there is a successful transactions. Money go over, product sent. Simple, right? So because of that, you are qualified to withdraw these commissions. And in the process of withdrawing these commissions, there is no need for you to put in your own money just to withdraw the commission. That is the third point. So if you are doing things right now that somebody promised to pay you a commission, but it's not what I have described above, then you have to be careful because it is not what a legit and official affiliate marketing business program will be like. And it's very highly, this is a scam. You will never be able to take out your own money forever. Okay, do take note of that. The front part that they show you, the number that you have made a commission because you have done this thing called the online task by clicking here, clicking there, following their instructions, right? That is to lure you to start getting greedy and put in your own money. That is the real picture. Okay, so please help more people by sharing my video to others to prevent them from falling as a victim like yourself, right? You can create an impact to help others too, like what I'm doing now, to make video to help people like you. Okay, do the same. Share this forward to help more people. And I know till date, which I make videos like this 2 years ago, even up to today, there are still many people, especially from South Africa country, commenting that, asking me what they are involved in. Is that a scam? Right? Okay. The short answer is yes, based on the information that I've gathered so far. Okay? Right? I'm an affiliate marketer with multiple e-commerce platforms. There is never once for me to put in my own money just to withdraw the commissions that I've made because I have successfully helped to create buying and paying customers. All right? Please remember, if you forget whatever I've mentioned in the first part of my video, this last part, repeat watching this. All right? Okay? That is what a proper, official, legit, paying affiliate marketing business opportunities is like. All right? Okay? I hope this is helpful for you. I will see you in my next video updates.